The day after Sasikala's nephew, TTV Dinakaran, was remanded to 5-day police custody, a team of the Delhi crime branch landed in Chennai along with TTV Dinakaran and his aide Mallika Arjuna for further questioning. TTV Dinakaran has been taken to Rajaji Bhavan in Besant Nagar and will be questioned by the team of police. They are also expected to probe the money trail and the various lines of communication between TTV Dinakaran and the notorious conman Sukesh Chandrasekhar, who's already in the Delhi Police Crime Branch custody. TTV Dinakaran is accused of bribing Sukesh Chandrasekhar with a whopping 60 crore rupees to win the Election Commission's favour for the AIADMK's two-leaf symbol. Let's go straight across now to Priyamvada for more details and updates on this. So Priyamvada, what exactly will the Delhi police be looking for? What are the kind of documents that they would want from TTV Dinakaran? Because they will be now examining the complex money trail, isn't it?
Absolutely, Avantika. But before that, I want to show some exclusive visuals on India Today. You can see that is a close aide of TTV Dinakaran. He had some documents which he just brought from the house. It was taken and he is going to move. You can just see he's just probably waiting for our cameras to be taken off. But he had a sealed cover which contained a few papers. We still do not know what they are and what it contains. But we did see him going out and he just is going to step out now. And he's taking his bike or car, one of these vehicles. We do not know whether these documents will be taken. Probably the person in the white shirt, if I can ask my video journalist to zoom in, he has kept those documents there in that bike behind that car. So that's something quite interesting that I can tell you what's happening here live. But as far as your question goes, what the Delhi police is looking at this point of time is they are looking for laptop and also an original phone of TTV.
Okay, so that was Priyamvada, who was telling us as to what exactly will the team of the police official crime branch be looking for. Priyamvada is back with us. Priyamvada, we just lost you for a short bit. Please continue from where you left.
Well, absolutely. In fact, I was telling that the Delhi police is looking to seize the original mobile or old mobile phone of TTV Dinakaran and also his laptop. Because he had brought in a mobile phone purchased just 2 days back, which obviously did not have enough content that the Delhi police could retrieve. So I'm standing right outside Dinakaran's house, and he will be after right now he is in Rajaji Bhavan. The central government office is present there, where the interrogation is happening, after which he will be brought in here and all the documents and the laptops and mobile phones are likely to be looked into by the Delhi police.
Priyamvada, these indeed are testing times for the beleaguered AIADMK leader, isn't it? A person who enjoys immense power and clout. What kind of support has been extended to him by the Idapadi K. Palanisamy camp?
I would say literally nothing. If you can just ask my video journalist to show you around, not a single party worker has actually come to show or extend their support to TTV Dinakaran. In fact, most of the MLAs were handpicked by TTV Dinakaran once upon a time. The kind of clout he enjoyed in ADMK is known to everyone. But right now, not even a single person is here to extend their support to TTV Dinakaran. That's how politics plays out.
Oh yes, indeed. Priyamvada, thank you so much for joining us. Some breaking news coming in at this hour.